If you are someone who is conversant with running Facebook ads, no doubt you'll be conversant with hearing stories like, my ads account have been restricted, my ads account have been disabled, oh no, I can no longer run ads. How can I actually recover my restricted ads account? Well, the one reason why ads account have been restricted is majorly because the ads you run are not run from a business manager account. That is one major reason why ads accounts are being disabled or restricted. Now, why is it important that you run your ads through the business manager account? This business manager account would actually help you do all the basic settings required in order for Facebook not to tamper with your account. That is why in this video, I'll be showing you what a business manager account is, why it is extremely important for you to set it up before running any adverts, and finally, I'll be showing you how to set up your business manager account yourself, step-by-step guide. It is very possible that you may fall into the trap of quickly rushing to the end of the video where I showed how to set up the business manager, maybe because you are in a haste, but that is one very big mistake you will be making. Yes, I say that because many beginners hear about business manager accounts, they rush straight up into creating business manager accounts. Now you forgot to understand that when you start clicking things randomly, you're beginning to add assets to your business managers that you do not need, or basically you begin to create multiple business manager accounts. You are closer to getting your business manager account restricted or suspended. So please, it is very important that you follow the step-by-step guideline on how to set it up professionally, and then you start running your ads. By doing that, you would not hear any news of a restricted account or a disabled account. Please take note. So I will now begin by showing you all those hidden things that you do not know about the business manager account, helping you understand in full what a business manager account is and what it actually does. This is the episode 2.1 of our Meta Ads Masterclass, where I teach you professionally how to run ads on Meta, Facebook, Instagram, step by step, professionally, even as someone who has never run Meta ads before. If you are just joining us in this episode, you have missed episode 1. Episode 1 has about 4 videos. Episode 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. The link to the playlist that carries all the episodes is in the description below. Do well to click on that link in the description below so you can see all the other episodes so you can become a professional in setting up Meta ads. Now let's start with the very basics. What does business manager really mean? In fact, what is the Meta Business Manager? The Meta Business Manager basically is a tool that Meta has provided that helps you manage multiple businesses under one business manager account. Yes, I just said helps you manage multiple businesses under one business manager account. Now, who is the person or who are those that the business manager account is strictly for? Now, if you're a business owner that have multiple businesses, let's say for example, I have a web design company, I have a digital marketing company, I have a web hosting company, and I have a laundry outfit, maybe a barber shop, maybe I have a restaurant. All of these businesses are under V.S.L concept, but I cannot run ads with one business manager account or one business portfolio on all these different businesses. So the business manager account helps me do what? Build business portfolios for each of these businesses and then run ads under each of them. I will explain very soon. Now the business manager account is also for an agency, let's say digital marketing agency, who have so many clients that they run ads for. The business manager account is that account that helps this agency run ads for all these businesses without requesting for access to their Facebook account. Yes, that's one mistake people make. You see somebody that says, I want to run ads for you. The first thing they will ask you for is, I need login details to your Facebook. Come on. You don't need login details to anybody's Facebook for you to have access to their page and run ads for them. This is where the business manager account comes in. And maybe you're a freelancer, you run ads for so many clients. You also need a business manager account. So how does this business manager account work when it comes to building business portfolios? Let me briefly explain so you can understand. Now, once you create a business manager account, let's call your business manager account BM. That is the account that you have. Remember, for you to create a business manager account, you must have what we call the regular Facebook account. Now, after creating your Facebook account, you follow the process I will show you now. You create your business manager account, name it what? BM. Now, business manager account, as mentioned earlier, is for businesses or people who have multiple businesses. Now, under a business manager account, you can have multiple business portfolios. Now, what are these portfolios? These portfolios basically are subcategories that carries information about a particular business. Now, we have a business manager account named BM. We can have a business portfolio under the business manager account and name that portfolio, let's say, laundry business. Now, we can now create another business portfolio and name this one web design business. We can name this one restaurant business, whatever name you want to give to it. So now we have one business manager account. We now have 3 different business portfolios under this business manager account. What follows? Under this one named the first one, we have what we call assets. What are these assets? This asset includes the ads manager account, it includes the Facebook page, it includes the pixels, and so many other things that will be used to run ads for this business. So the business portfolio 1 would have its own ads manager, Facebook page, ad account, and people who manage that business. The same thing happens for business portfolio 2, and the same thing happens for business portfolio 3. So the ad account that you use to run ads for the business portfolio 1 has no business with what you are using to run ads for business portfolio 2. So basically, the aim of the business manager is to help agencies or business owners organize multiple businesses, as it were. But now, let's say you are an individual who does not even have multiple businesses. Why is it important that you should create a business manager account now? Those persons who skip this part are not going to get this information. But you that did not skip it, you will get information. Why should you actually do what? Set up your account using a business manager, even if you do not have multiple businesses. Because it is actually possible for you to just go to your Facebook page, go to ad account, and start running ads. Not doing it through the business manager setup. Let me tell you why. Recently, Facebook has updated their information on their system in a way that for you to be able to track activities that happen on your website, you must do it through a business manager account. Your regular Facebook account, your Facebook page, cannot be able to set up pixel events on a website. They blurred out that option. So one reason why we are doing this setup now is so we would be able to do what? Professionally set up pixels, as it were. So even though we may not be having multiple businesses you want to register, you must run your ads through these business manager accounts that we are talking about. That is the very first point. Now the very second point is because you want to keep things very, very organized. Yes, you see how organized the 3 business portfolios were earlier. Everything was organized, it looked so professional. That is how Facebook or Meta wants you to run ads, not doing things in a scattered way. So it makes your job look so neat and organized. So for these 2 reasons, we'll be setting up a business manager account in a way that we will not get our ad account restricted at all. So now I have taken time to explain to you why you need a business manager account and also what a business manager account does. Let us now jump into my computer screen where I'll show you practically how to set up a business manager account. Welcome to my computer screen. Now for us to set up our business manager account, the very first thing we must do is to ensure that we are logged into a Facebook account. Yes,
on the same web browser, you must ensure that you are logged into a Facebook account. So I have a Facebook account logged in here. And the very next thing you want to do is go to a new tab and type in business.facebook.com on your new tab. Then you hit enter. Once you do that, it is going to bring up this page for you. It is now here that we'll now be able to set up our business manager account. The very first thing to do is to put in what? The business name. And I'm just going to put in, let's say, V.S.L Digital Hub. Just as a name, V.S.L Digital Hub as a business manager account. Then I'll come over here and put in our email address, type the email address there, and then click on submit. Good. As you see, V.S.L Digital Hub was created. We will now need to log into our email to confirm our email address. So click on done, and it's going to redirect us straight up to the section where we can now start creating our business portfolios. So as you see here, setting up or creating your business manager account is not difficult. So let me just go back to the email address and check for the verification mail that has been sent. So see it here. Confirm your business email address. Click on this. Click on confirm now. So here we have successfully confirmed our business email. So what we've just done is to create a business manager account that can be used to manage multiple businesses, as it were. So remember, we mentioned that what we've just created is very, very different from what we use to run our ads on our normal Facebook account. To confirm that, if you come over to this section here, click on this tab here, you're going to see, when you come here, you're now going to see what we call business portfolios. And under here, you see what we call the personal account. So this account basically means your Facebook account, the account that owns this business manager account. So as mentioned earlier, if you want to run ads for other businesses, all you just need to do is what? Come over here, create a new business portfolio. You now have a different section for that business. Let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about. If we click on create business portfolio here, and we'll just decide to say, let's say web design hub. Put in the first name, let's say Richard, and put in second name E. Put in the business email, V.S.L web design hub. Click on create. So you see that they are now asking, what do you want to add to this business portfolio? Let's leave it at that. Let's click on skip. Click on skip, click on confirm. Good. So now what we've just done is to add a new business portfolio to this business manager account. So when you come over to this section, you will now see different business portfolios that have been created. So let's just imagine that a dry cleaning business have contracted me to help them get clients. So what do I just need to do? Come over to this business manager account and I do what? Click on dry cleaning or create a dry cleaning portfolio for it. Let me just edit this web design to dry cleaning. Let me just edit this name to dry cleaning hub, dry cleaning hub, DRYCLEANING, dry cleaning hub. Click on save. So I can use this to explain to you better what I mean. So after doing this, come over here. It is now what? Dry cleaning hub. So if I want to run ads under this business for this business, everything once I click on this, it's going to bring up everything about this dry cleaning hub for me. Everything I mean, the pages will come under here. The ads account will come under here. I will show you how to do all this setup in a while. Don't worry about that. So what I just wanted to grab for this video is a business manager account is basically an account that helps you manage multiple businesses, as it were. So all you just need to do is to create one is go over to business.facebook.com. Once you are there, the very next thing to do is ensure you do what? Create a business portfolio for every new business that you want to run ads for. So if I want to run ads for a digital marketing hub, I will not be running the ads under the dry cleaning business hub. It does not make sense like that. Now, how can we actually add things, add pages and the rest of them, add accounts, add people to these different business manager accounts we have created? That's basically what we are going to be covering in our very next video. Yes. So this video is basically to show you how to create a business manager account and also how to create a business portfolio when you have actually created your business manager account. I've just shown you how to do that. Now let's go over into the very next video. I'll be showing you exactly how to add pages, how to add individuals, how to add account, how to add pixels to all of these business manager account or these portfolios that we have just created. Are you sure you got value from this video? Please do well to like this video. Ensure that you share this video so that so many other persons would be able to get access to this mind-blowing content. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be showing you exactly how to add pages, how to add all the assets that we will need to run our ads from this ad manager account. I'll see you in that next video.